Welcome to SMF Street, SMF Street Traders. We've been spending our whole Sunday and Saturday going over lots of positions for the September move when we get out of this low volume dog days of August will be over. International traders, non-U.S. citizens, you all qualify to be on SMF Street. Nothing will stop you from qualifying. Click on the sign up button, enter your name, enter your email, and hit sign up. Another thing that everyone can do is they hit this free 5-day trial sign up. An SMF Street representative will contact you immediately, and you will be able to get in and witness our live trading, our entries, our exits, and how we work with our SMF Street traders. So it's very important that if this is what you would like to do and you would like to have top 30-year management behind you and be in our school, then I would start now. What we are going to show you is the NASDAQ Biotech. That's all the biotechs that you can see here. They were all being purchased right there. They're all green almost. Look at that move. Okay, and on the second video, this is called the NBIX NASDAQ Biotechnology. It's all of the stocks in there right here. NBIX. Whereas when we look at the key one, that's the Morgan Stanley Biotech. That's this one here. I don't want to confuse people, but this index here is more stocks. It's MVB.X, but look at the amount of purchases, and it's specifically a much smaller index with the key players based on market capitalization and volume and the length that they've been around and their ratings put them in this particular one. We'll do that one next. Right now, what we are going to do is stick with the broader index. And that's this one right here, the NBIX. So basically, NBIX, right here. Okay? The monthly chart is very, very bullish. Back in 2009, we had that big breakout. In 2010, we put in a high, we pulled back with the markets in May, and we've set up a major support level. We're above all key monthly moving averages. So let's go through the monthly moving averages. SMF Street Traders. The 20-month moving average at 798.47. The 10-month moving average, which is up here at resistance right now, is exactly 857.02. The 50-month moving average that's acting at support is at 802.44. And you know that you've been trained a long time on monthly moving averages. And we have a rising 10-month that's we've been selling off. But here's the bullish part of it, SMF Street. The 10-month is rising. We got great support right here. The challenge for the broader index, because this is all those stocks in there that I showed on the video, that's going to be our 891.74. So we're going to watch this area up here, 889.97. That's half of the distribution bar. That's the SMF Pro Trader Street monthly bar. That is all calculated mathematically using the stock market funding direct access trading platform. Does that for them. And they've been trained on it. They know what it means, and they know why it's going to go up. So basically, we've had a pullback in the broader one. There are hundreds of stocks in here. It was up 15.48 on Friday. And like I've said, biotechnology is a place to be. We remember when these indexes were created. That's how long we've been around. And basically, there's some nice movement. So I've got a bullish pullback. We're going to be watching how the broader NASDAQ biotechnology works. On the next video, we will do the other key index. So I've got a bullish support level and price action. I've got some short-term resistances to overcome at the 10-month moving average. The bullish thing is the 10-month moving average is rising. It's tilting. It's ascending. It's not descending. Look at when monthly moving averages are rising, ascending in value, you get these big monthly breakouts. And it's not until they get flat that's where the momentum softens, and we're below it. So that's the only bearish thing, is that it's at resistance. And we'll see where the broader fund managers, institutional managers, want to buy a lot of biotech. I believe it is the star index for the remainder of this year, because a breakout's going to set up, and we'll be ready to pick out the good names in here. We already own quite a few, but we'll be adding to the portfolio.